Behind me is the new Tectonic from Peragon, and it's by far the best truck bed cover I've ever owned. So let's talk about it. In the past, I've never had a cover that I can, well, stand on. I think they say you can put up to 400 pounds across the whole thing here. I've loaded coolers, I've loaded Pelican cases, strollers, boxes of stuff. Anything you can't get to fit on the inside of your bed, you can throw it up on top. So for starters, it's pretty accessible. Want to get to the front of your bed, flips it up, you can access the front. Want to get all the way to the back, again, pretty easy. You can get to the back. That's nothing new. There's other covers that do that right. Other covers don't do is this. You can literally get to whatever section, including the middle of your bed, whenever you want, and it's easy. This whole thing just slides. Now, I don't think that's ever been done before in a truck bed cover, like literally ever. So let's say you need to access your entire bed, right? Put something bulk in there, a lawnmower, an ATV, a snowmobile. I do it all the time. These doors all have vertical hinges. So literally you just pull up, yank the door off, and they come out. The entire bed cover can be taken off your truck in under 60 seconds. I've done it closer to 45. It's incredible. I've already put on just over 5,000 miles in this thing in the last 3 months. From Minnesota down to Arkansas, all the way over to Florida. In a couple of hunting situations and some fishing stuff, and while working and shooting. So I've put everything from coolers to Pelicans, and the amount of space that I can free up by not having to put things inside the bed that I can now strap down and carry up on top has been awesome. And I don't think I really understand how big of a deal that's going to be for me. And those are the reasons that the new Tectonic from Peragon is the best truck bed cover I've ever owned.